CI has huge real life applications, and of course there could be questions framed based on these applications. Let's have a look. The interest in your saving account is calculated by using simple interest, whereas interest in fixed deposit or when you borrow some money from the bank as a loan, the interest is calculated using compound interest. Population growth is calculated using compound interest. So population after n years or the future population would be present population into 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n, where r is rate of increase of population. Now this formula, future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n, this works for time value of money as well. You have 100 rupees today. What would be its future value? Maybe after 50 years or 60 years, those 100 rupees would be worth 500 rupees in future. So future value could be calculated using this formula. You want to find present value of future 500 rupees, you can take this 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n to the left hand side in the denominator, and you will get this formula: present worth of rupees x due n years hence. Present worth would be x upon 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n. So here x would be 500 rupees and present value of future 500 rupees can be calculated using this formula. Now when you buy a car, its value depreciates with time, and that depreciation is calculated using compound interest formula. Only in place of plus, here we have a minus sign. So value of machine after n years is present value into 1 minus r upon 100 whole raised to n, and present value could be calculated by taking this whole to the denominator in the left hand side. Also, there are two cases in which calculating compound interest might turn out to be a little different. When interests are different for different years. So here amount will be equal to P into 1 plus R upon R1 upon 100 into 1 plus R2 upon 100 into 1 plus R3 upon 100 and so on, where R1, R2 and R3 are rates for first year, second year, third year and so on. Now if time given to us is in mixed fraction, then to calculate the amount, let's say time is 3, 2 by 5, this 3 will come as it is and this 2 by 5 will get multiplied to the rate. Okay, this is how we will calculate the amount when time is in mixed fraction. So these were a few applications and a few cases of compound interest. Thank you.